is so pretty. And with this, oh my god, it's just, this is just a handful of art because it's weave interlock this beautiful leather painting. Look at that. Oh my god, they call it McGraw. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Philine, and today we're gonna do unboxing. Yes, unboxing, and it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes, and because shopping is an art, you might as well shop wisely. In my Mercari down below in this video, you can see a lot of sale. All right, without further ado, oh my goodness, oh my god, this is so big. Okay, hang on. Ta-da! Yay! It's another batch of Tory Burch. Yay! Okay, by the way, all that you see in my unboxing, especially now, you can buy it from me in a very good price, in a discounted price in my Mercari, right? So this, and I really like these Tory Burch have this seal in it, and then okay, so this is the receipt. Okay. We will do okay, hang on, the biggest one. Ta-da! Okay, I'm going to put back this one because our space is just very tiny. Okay, so I have two, and guess what? This is my very first time to buy this. This is their new design of a tote, and it's called, hang on, voila! It's a puffer tote. Oh my god, this is so good. It's a puffer. It's just a cushion in it. Oh my goodness. And this is retail price of $298, but of course I did not buy it for that price, right? So you can buy this in my Mercari. This is really very in, should I say. So actually you can wear it like this or by the crook. And hang on, I'm having a hard time because, hang on. So these have a magnetic closure, this one. So this bag is really big, and it goes, here is the pocket and another pocket here. So there is one zipper pocket and one just a slide-in pocket. So this is very nice, and this is expandable. So if you want it really big like that with a big opening, you can do it. Or if you want it just why not just open it all, right? So this one is a very good price for $298. The quality that you get, it's really nice. And look at the bottom. It's just very simple, and they call it, I believe they call it Ella tote. So Ella puffer tote. Okay, this is really nice. This one's saying if you like to go carry a lot of stuff or laptop or whatever you want to carry, it's perfect for the office or perfect for work tote without spending a lot of money, and that's what we want to do, not overspend. But I'm spending because I'm selling. Yay! All right, so let's move on. So this is a French fine ribbon. Actually, they call this, the color is French fine ribbon, and they call this, hang on. Wow, look. It is so cute. Actually, this is looking cute, but it's not super small. Oh my god. So I have to really remove this. Hang on. So you can see. Okay. At least if you're coming from this video and you're buying this one, you have already the idea what comes with it. Of course, comes with the leather strap, detachable strap. Okay, let me remove it. There. And this comes with a dust bag. So this big one doesn't have a dust bag, but this one have a dust bag. And oh my god, you love this. Oh my goodness. So this is where you can attach something for the key. That's how big it is. And the way you do it is just, you will just tie this one and voila. It's so cute. Oh my god. So this is, let me see. This is originally $498. If you want to be unique and beautiful at the same time, and look at that, that's how unique it is, and you want to be different, buy this bag. It's so cute. You can wear it crossbody, you can wear it shoulder bag, you can wear it handbag, and you can wear it probably not so much in the crop. I would prefer to wear it like a shoulder bag than, or a handbag. I would wear it like a handbag because during summertime, and then you just carry this one, and then you just wear your dress, and then go to the beach, and you know, you eat there, and look, it is so pretty. And with this, oh my god, it's just, this is just a handful of art because it's weave interlock this beautiful leather painting. Look at that. Oh my god, they call it McGraw. This is a McGraw style. That's what it says. And let me see. And so we have two today, the bigger one and a smaller one. So this is a puffer toad and a McGraw. Yes, which one is which? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go to my Mercari. It's linked down below. Check it out. I have a lot of sale, and you can buy by bundle, so you can have discounts and save on the shipping. Yes. I'm just happy you have this one. Thank you so much. Bye.